Welcome to the channel Yardman Farming TV. Big up on yourself and on the yard or abroad. Thanks for tuning to the channel. So today I'll be showing you guys, I normally use my plastic bottles and do a drip system. So keep on watching guys. I'm gonna show you the steps. So keep on watching. So I have some strawberry plants right here, but as you can see I have my plastic bottle. So normally I use my plastic bottle for the drip system. All you need is a soldering iron. So I'm going to use a soldering iron and bore some hole inside of my bottle. So yes guys, it all depends on how deep you plan to put the bottle. So you have to decide where you want your holes. So normally I put 2 holes on one side. Sometimes it can be all 3 of them. So guys, look at my herringbone cucumber. So this is where I'm gonna put my drip system, my plastic bottle drip system. Look at this guys. So this is the root of the cucumber. So I'm gonna come very close. This is where I dig my hole. I try to come as close as possible, so the plastic bottle can feed to the roots. So I'm going to place my bottle very close to the roots. And I'm going to use my dirt . So now I'm gonna put my water inside. If you wanna use any form of well grow, you can do so. But I'm gonna put straight water. So guys, if you learned something today, you can leave your comments. If you like the video, give it a big thumbs up. So I'm doing some pruning. So thank you for watching guys. So you can look out for part 2 of the video when I'll be doing some harvesting. Always remember to share, like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys.